Here we are, 20 years. Even more than 20 milestones, the Sava Commission story. One river, 4 countries, and a shared vision. The Sava story is not just about river, it's about whispers becoming waves. Whispers of regional partnership and waves of progress, carving trust and transforming borders into bridges. Every great journey begins with a choice. The framework agreement, our northern star in uncharted waters. 4 protocols flowed as tributaries to our main channel. Activities followed like a compass point. Navigation steering development. Sustainable water management balancing nature's scales. Hazards prevention shielding our communities. Common information systems helping us understand each other. 10 meetings of the parties. 10 moments when high-level decisions steered us through rapids and turbulence into calm waters of consensus. Continuity became our rudder, cooperation our sail. We defined what international waterways mean, maintained what marked fairways promise, and proved that navigation development and environmental protection can flow in the same channel. 2 river basin management plans became a shared promise. The flood risk management plan, our common sureness. The Sava flood forecasting system, alive with data, sending warnings across borders faster than floodwaters. Sava GIS, the basin's anatomy through pixels and cells. Sava HIS reflects its heartbeat. We didn't just build systems, we built trust. Decision makers and responsible institutions from the Sava countries ensured jointly agreed goals stand. Hundreds of experts became the think tank network, their knowledge flowing through every channel. And when the Youth Parliament spoke, we learned the river's next verses. Where some saw boundaries, we saw synergy. Since 2017, Joint Plan of Action resonates from the Alps to the Danube. 2 harmonies, nature's rhythm preserved, navigation's promise secured. Tourism guidelines teaching us to tread lightly. Bike routes stitching cultures together. The Sava Trina Integrated Development Program in 2022 became a shared compass needle, pointing out where the current takes us next. 20 years. The Sava never asked for our origin, only our promise to listen and to act. Reliable platform for basin-wide cooperation, enduring bonds with international institutions, organizations, and donors, countless news flash connections, 2 websites, transparency. And we share the Youth Parliament's dreams. The Sava Commission is the basin's lighthouse and its blueprint, progress that respects the past, understanding that dedication is the price of continuity. Some call it a river and a basin. In our common Sava language, it sounds like commitment, long-term partnership, integration, shared benefits, future-proofing, the flow that carries us all.